Today we are sharing 3 powerful swing trading strategies. So watch this video carefully, and if you have any questions, post them. Strategy number 1 is multi-time frame strategy. So in this strategy, we have to do analysis and we have to take entry. Analysis will be on a higher time frame like daily or weekly, and entry we will take on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. So the strategy is that we have to check for bullish divergence on analysis time frame, that is daily or weekly. And second step is also very simple. We have to get the bullish confirmation on the lower time frame, that is the 4 hour or 1 hour. On the basis of this strategy, we had shared this call of IRFC. So IRFC, as you see on the charts, this is giving a bullish divergence in which you can see price is making a lower low, but the MACD, the histogram, you see it's not making a lower low, whereas it is making a higher high. So this strategy was shared live in our Telegram group on 9th September 2022. And if you see after that, uh, the stock has almost double, given 50-60% returns within no time. So this was the weekly time frame, the divergence, that is our analysis time frame. This is the weekly chart. So we are expecting bullishness as per weekly chart, that is a higher time frame. After this, if you see on a 4 hour chart, this is a 4 hour time frame, and on that you can see there was an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So this is our entry after we get a bullish confirmation on the 4 hour. And this is one of our the calls shared on our Telegram channel, Stock Market for Beginners, and you can see how the stock performed after that. So this is the most powerful and basic strategy that every beginner can incorporate. Now, second strategy is a very simple strategy, bullish engulfing pattern strategy. As the name suggests, you get a bullish candle at the downtrend, existing downtrend, and after this you can see, just locate this bullish candle at the downtrend, and after that you can see the stock goes up. So if you see this bullish candle is closing above the previous resistance of this downtrend. Now, if you follow on the basis of this strategy, I had also shared one call, and that was Balakrishna Industries. And if you see similar bullish engulfing pattern is formed on this chart, and the volume, you see there is a good, huge volume built up in this stock. And after that, you can see at from 1800 levels, the stock went to 2300 levels also. And this strategy, the candlestick is bullish candlestick pattern. And if you see, this stock was also shared in our Telegram group as a swing trade pick, and in that you can see the stock had given trend line breakout on a lower time frame also. This bullish engulfing pattern is formed on the daily chart. So this in this, the analysis is only on the daily chart. So for swing trading, we will always do our analysis on higher time frame, and for entry we will be choosing the lower time frame. So if you see, this simple strategy of bullish worked tremendously, and this was shared not on in our group, and this is not something that after a chart is there, this is analysis shared before and the result is after. This is not something done after. So many times people say that it is very easy after the chart is formed, but this was done before time. So this means that these strategies work. And if you so before moving further, if you are enjoying the content, you can join our free channel Telegram Stock Market for Beginners, and our YouTube channel the Sunny Dar, and we regularly share educational videos and for our beginners. And if you are enjoying the content, please share among friends, like and subscribe. The last strategy is a bit advanced, and this is known as VSA strategy. VSA is nothing but volume spread analysis. In this case, if you see, there is an existing downtrend, And at the bottom of this downtrend, you will get a candle with a very high volume. Now, if you see this at as this candle is developing, the sentiments will be very bearish, and many people will say that the stock will now keep on falling. So this is like a cheat strategy, because in this case, the volume of this candle will be very ultra high. It will be ultra high. But the main point to focus is that after this high volume on a bearish candle, you will soon price will close above this uh, high volume candle, and that will be our first signal. Also, important point to observe is that this is not a breakout candle. This is already a downtrend and established, and this is at high volume after that. So if this is the suppose the high volume was on this candle, that was a breakout candle, then you should not expect upside in that. However, this is already an established trend, and downtrend is already established from this point. So at that time, this strategy should be applied. And as per our this strategy was shared, and we had already shared one stock, Nika, at 123 levels, and you can see we had said that has formed high volume candle, and so bottom may be near. And you can see after this, few days later, the stock from this level has given almost 30% returns within no time. So this is a bit advanced strategy, but however, if this perform with caution, this will give, you will be able to exactly tell where the bottom can be formed. And this is nothing. You don't have to do anything until this high will of this high volume candle is crossed. I hope you like this video, and if this adds value, please, like on this video, give us some motivation, share among friends, post a good comment, feedback. If you are facing any difficulties, post them as comment, and I will get back to that feedback. So till that, that's all we have today. Thank you and have a nice day.